Windows thumbnails are small preview images that represent larger files, such as pictures, videos, or documents. They make it easier to visually identify files without opening them. For example, in File Explorer, image and video files display a small preview, and on YouTube, video thumbnails give viewers a quick look at the content. Why are thumbnails important? They enable faster navigation, helping users quickly find files without opening them. They also provide better organization, making it easier to manage and differentiate between similar files. Thumbnails improve user experience by saving time through visual previews, and for videos, eye-catching thumbnails can increase clicks and views. How does Windows create thumbnails? Windows generates thumbnails automatically using a built-in thumbnail cache system. When you open a folder with images, videos, or documents, Windows scans the files to determine their content. It then automatically generates a scaled-down version of the file by extracting a small portion. For images, it captures a tiny snapshot of the content, while for videos, it often takes a frame from the beginning. For documents, it extracts the first page or an icon preview. The generated thumbnail is stored in a hidden system file called thumbcache_star.db in a hidden system folder. C:\users\your username/appdata/local/Microsoft/Windows/Explorer. This prevents Windows from having to regenerate thumbnails every time you open the folder, making browsing faster. When you view a folder in large icons or extra large icons mode, Windows loads the thumbnails from the cache and displays them. What if thumbnails are not showing? If Windows is not displaying thumbnails properly, try these fixes. First, enable thumbnails by going to File Explorer options, then the View tab, and unchecking Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. You can also clear and rebuild the thumbnail cache by opening Disk Cleanup, selecting thumbnails, and clearing them. After that, restart the PC, and Windows will regenerate new thumbnails. Lastly, enable thumbnail preview in performance settings by opening System Properties, then Advanced, then Performance Settings, and making sure Show Thumbnails instead of icons is checked.